Welcome back, guys. Our question for today: does the cockpit ship to my country, and will I have to pay import duties? Yes and maybe. So we ship out the cockpit from our workshop in Guatemala. It ships out by DHL or UPS, and really, you tell me, is there a country that doesn't receive goods from either of those carriers? So yeah, the cockpit ships internationally. Now, will you have to pay an import duty on the cockpit? It really depends on your country, and to some extent it depends on the custom agent who happened to be working that day, right? There's no hard, fast rule here. In most cases, packages coming from Guatemala to the US, our cockpits, there's no customs duty applied. I don't think I can think of a single case where customs duty was applied to a cockpit going to the States. Now in Europe, in Australia, in some cases yes, in some cases no. And like I say, it's highly situational because any given customs agent, can have a different take on it. So the shipping is free. You don't need to worry about that. If your particular country and in that particular moment a customs duty is applied, you will be responsible for it. From our end, we do our very best to value the product very, very modestly at the point of shipment, and often that helps eliminate or at least reduce any import duty that may be assessed.